Ever since Praveen and Mehak came into my life, my whole life changed.
Hi guys, a very warm welcome to Body Pro Coach Nutrition. I am Mehak Nair and today we are doing a low-calorie coconut chutney. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. So I have coconut here, 40 grams. I have 10 grams of ginger, half a pinch of green chili, 150 to 160 grams of curd in a blender. I'm first going to add coconut, then ginger, green chili, and goes here my 40 grams of coconut. To this I'm going to add curd, and if you want a little thin in consistency you can also add water. I'm not adding water because I like it slightly thicker. Lastly, salt as per taste. So our low-calorie coconut chutney is ready. So I'm not giving any vagar, what we call in Marathi, or tadka. I'm keeping it simple as it is. Our low-calorie coconut chutney is ready. Super easy, made with 4 ingredients, ready in less than 5 minutes. The chutney contains good source of fiber. It also contains selenium and copper, which is extremely good for your digestive system. Lastly, please log on to the website, that is www.bodyprocoach.com, and go and check out all the programs and offers we have for you. Before I end the video, request you to please check the description for all the ingredients and equipments I'm using to make this chutney so that your chutney tastes the same and is easy as mine. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notification of all the videos we do. Thank you. See you again.